this is the original newspaper I made for my daughter. This is where it all started from. The stats are over here. Horoscope, born on this day, financial markets, milk, gas, movie ticket, of course, aren't really financial, but it's cute, it's adorable. The Dow and the Nasdaq for the markets. Alright, these will all be kept, kept on hand for your child when they grow up. They'll reflect back to this and they'll be amused. In the middle, of course, is a picture of the baby, a brief article, another picture. Okay, government leaders again, so that when they grow up, they'll remember who's in office when they were born. This is just a little index or table of contents of what's inside, and yet another article on the right hand side here. Okay, I live in Staten Island edition. This is one I created back in 2004 for my daughter. The New Stork Daily News, little spin-off of the New York Daily News that we have here. Okay, again, these are the two templates for the girl. Included, of course, our boy and the girl. 8.5 by 11 is a regular one. No cutting involved. 8 by 10 you will have to cut down. And as you can see, all the yellows where you'll have to change the text. I didn't highlight it over here on the left side where the stats are on the baby facts, but you can see that what needs to be plugged in. Alright, if you have any questions, again, email is paul@mybabynewspaper.com.